Hi, Inez Simpson here, and it's Sunday afternoon on Vancouver Island, and we're just a hop, skip, and a jump from my house right there, and we're in a nice, very cool shaded place right here is nice. Anyway, enjoy the trees. There's even some arbutus trees, though just little ones here, but they're some of my favorites. Anyway, I was going to talk to you about the advanced training in SP because I've done it before, but now we're doing SP. To me, I wish I could just offer it all as a 4-day course to everyone. But most people, when they first start, they only want to come to the weekend. So we have it split because I see people who take that Simpson protocol first bit, the essential part, the learn how you do it, and then move on to the spiritual and the progressive, proactive health, the surrogacy, and all the other things we're teaching in the advanced portion. And at the end of that, they have become understood it more, they are more integrated with it, they are more in trust with it. So I really would like to offer it as a 4-day course all the time. So it's your choice, but please come. So let me talk about what's in the advanced. It started as an addition. It started as now it's just a great experiment. It's my favorite part of teaching, and I like teaching both. But so it's always exciting. There's exciting things happen in the surrogacy when people find their connection to another human being and other people and how it all works, and it's pretty exciting. And then there's also the spiritual, of course, which everyone likes because we're always looking for more spiritual work to do. But it's turned into that these are not little separate things to give with your client. They can be all encompassed in what you do for them. So we do self-hypnosis workshop training for you. We do a proactive health program that you can do with your clients. And I also do anything else that pops up because it's an experiment. We keep getting better at it. And we experiment all kinds of things. Anything pops into your mind, I'm always willing to do anything. So, and you know what? That's easy to do because all I have to do is trust what the superconscious says, and it works great. And just like with your clients, everyone already has their triggers, so it goes quick, fast, lots of time in those 2 days to do all kinds of stuff. And it's very, it can be very intense, very exciting, and we also have a small part that we put into the birthing because it's a big chunk, the birthing. So you can take it online if you choose because we have a big manual. We also have one that we refined for easier use. So you have both. But we just talk about it a little bit and ask any questions. You can do that. But always it's online. But the other things we do, we experiment lots. We've even had some people start channeling. We've had all kinds of different things. So, it's a fun 2 days. Oh, and I forgot, we put up a couple of new little video clips on birthing because I actually had one of my students was pregnant in Belgium and I connected her to her baby and stuff like that. So you can see those. The other thing is, I talk about channeling and stuff, but the class, whatever the class is, the dynamics of the class, they are always, you only get what you're ready for. So I can't promise those things will happen. It's just they do happen once in a while. So enjoy it. Come see me in Vancouver Island because it's nice here. I think this is paradise, except not in the winter. It's a little wet in the winter. But then we go to other paradises like Spain or somewhere else. Okay. See you soon in September. Hey, there's a song, See you. I won't sing. I won't hurt your ears. So anyway, but I'll see you in September.